Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Train Your English Brain. I'm Emma. Today, I want to ask you something. When you speak English and you make a mistake, what happens inside you? Do you feel embarrassed? Do you stop talking? Do you feel your face get a little hot and you just want to disappear? If this happens to you, you are not alone. Almost every English learner feels this way. Making a mistake feels scary. It feels like everyone is watching, everyone is judging. But today, I want to tell you something important, something that can change how you feel about speaking English forever. The truth is this: mistakes are normal. Every great English speaker made many mistakes before becoming great. Let me explain why this matters so much. Many learners believe that good English speakers never make mistakes. They think fluent speakers just know everything perfectly. But this is not true at all. Every single fluent speaker, every confident speaker you admire, made thousands of mistakes on their way to fluency. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. Mistakes are a sign that you are learning, that you are trying, that you are growing. Think about a baby learning to walk. A baby falls down many times. Nobody says, "Oh, this baby is bad at walking." Everyone understands falling is part of learning to walk. It's exactly the same with English. Making mistakes is part of learning to speak. There is no other way. Nobody skips this step. Let me tell you a story. This is a story about a real student, and I will call him Leo. Leo was very afraid of making mistakes. In class, he knew many answers, but he never raised his hand. He was scared that his grammar would be wrong or his pronunciation would sound strange, and other people would laugh. Because of this fear, Leo stayed quiet for months. He listened a lot, but he almost never spoke. And you know what happened? His speaking skills stayed exactly the same week after week, month after month. His fear was actually stopping his progress completely. One day, his teacher said something that changed everything for him. She said, "Leo, the students who improve the fastest are not the students who make no mistakes. They are the students who make mistakes bravely, again and again, without stopping." She told him, mistakes are simply information. They show you exactly what to practice next. They are not something to fear, they are a helpful map for improvement. Leo decided to try something different. He started speaking, even when he wasn't sure if it was correct. He said sentences with small mistakes. Sometimes people corrected him gently. Sometimes he corrected himself later. But something important happened. Every mistake taught him something new, something he remembered much better than any grammar book. After a few months, Leo noticed something wonderful. He wasn't making the same mistakes anymore because he had already learned from them. And more importantly, he wasn't afraid to speak anymore. He understood deeply now that mistakes were simply steps on his path, not walls blocking his way. This is the real secret that separates confident speakers from silent learners. It's not about knowing perfect grammar from the beginning. It's about being brave enough to speak even imperfectly and learning naturally from every small mistake along the way. Now, let's practice something a little different today. I want you to practice making mistakes on purpose and then correcting yourself calmly and confidently. This will help your brain feel comfortable with imperfection. Listen to this sentence with a small mistake. She go to school every day. Now let's correct it calmly. She goes to school every day. Good. Let's try another one. Listen, I am go to the market. Let's fix it together without stress. I am going to the market. One more example. Listen, yesterday I go to the park. Now correct it calmly. Yesterday I went to the park. Wonderful. Do you feel that? Correcting a mistake doesn't have to feel scary. It can feel calm, natural, even easy. This is exactly the feeling you want to build inside yourself. let's practice saying something brave. Repeat this sentence after me with confidence. It's okay if I make mistakes. I am still learning. Say it with me. It's okay if I make mistakes. I am still learning. One more time, a little stronger. It's okay if I make mistakes. I am still learning. Now, let's practice a very useful phrase, something you can use anytime you're not sure. I think I made a mistake. Let me try again. Repeat with me. I think I made a mistake. Let me try again. This phrase is powerful because it shows confidence, not weakness. Confident speakers don't hide their mistakes. They notice them calmly, and they simply try again. Here is a simple and meaningful exercise for you. Think about one mistake you made recently, in English or even in your own language. Instead of feeling bad about it, say this sentence out loud. That's okay. Now I know something new. Take a moment now and try it. Think of one small mistake and practice saying that sentence calmly with real acceptance. Remember this important truth. Every person who speaks English fluently today once stood exactly where you are standing now. They once felt nervous. They once said things incorrectly. They once felt embarrassed too, but they kept speaking anyway. And that decision to keep speaking despite mistakes is what made all the difference. Many learners stay quiet for years, waiting until they feel ready or perfect before speaking. But that perfect moment never really comes. The only way forward is through mistakes, through practice, through brave, imperfect speaking again and again until it slowly becomes smooth and natural. So here is your homework for today. The next time you speak English and you make a mistake, don't stop. Don't feel ashamed. Just smile a little inside and say to yourself, "Good, now I know something new." Then simply continue speaking. I know this feels hard at first, especially if you felt embarrassed about mistakes before, but every brave attempt, even the imperfect ones, is building your confidence one small step at a time. This is exactly how fluency is built, not through perfection, but through courage. So, my friend, please promise me one thing today. The next time you feel afraid of making a mistake, remember, mistakes are not your enemy. They are simply proof that you are trying, that you are growing in English every single day. Thank you so much for practicing together with me today. If this lesson helped you, please come back tomorrow for a new lesson. And remember, mistakes are normal, mistakes are helpful, and your confidence will grow stronger every time you speak, imperfect or not. See you in the next episode, my friend. Keep practicing, be gentle with yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.